niece bought me a lovely dress, but it was way too big. So I worked it. So stay tuned and watch the end of the video to see what it became. And this took me 20 minutes tops. So if you don't want to take something back that you purchased or you can't take it back, rework, work. This blade was super dull. I couldn't get it to work right, y'all. So I got out my scissors. I have like 6 or 7 pairs of them. And the scissors that I found, they were also dull. But real talk, y'all, I needed something to wear to Latin Fest. And it was, shoot, I had like an hour to get ready. So you had to make it work. Part here I'm cutting off, that's the bottom of the skirt in between the legs. I ended up wearing this on my head as a super chic scarf. It was so cute. I can't wait to wear it with other things. Oh my goodness.